Let me introduce our newest products. It is streaming media for CarPlay box. It is a built-in Android system in it. The connection, it is a connector with original USB port. This is a original manual. It can be entered in Android system by original Apple CarPlay. This is Android system. You can install any app you like in Google Play Store. There are many apps. You can choose them and one you like. And also can see YouTube. Since this connection, it is by original CarPlay, so the sound and the display function is high quality. The resolution is the same with the original. Also can be controlled by original steering wheel control. It can be connected with USB. Let's listen some music. Also can see some video.
你的伴侣是和谁交换？
The display effect is high quality. Okay, this is this newest products. Our introduction is here. Thank you.